before replacing these struts, support the hatchback with something. I'm just using a rake. I bought these two from rockauto.com. Oh shoot. Here's a new one. We can see how it snaps on. That easy. I gotta compress it a little bit, so. Okay, this is extremely stiff. I'm gonna try to lift up the gate further than it should, just to get it to pop on. There. See that small screwdriver? Hey, that's why we have a prop. There we go. Turn around, just pop it on. That easy. Bring it over, same issue. I need to lift the gate just slightly.